My name is Dr. Jim Cox, and I am a clinician here at the University Health Center and also the Quality Assurance Chair for the University Health Systems. What gets me up and gets me here every day are the students. I was in private practice for a number of years and started doing the clinic work part-time and absolutely fell in love with it because the students just gave me that jazz that I just apparently didn't have in private practice. Although I love what I do, but when you do it with the students, you see those light bulbs go on and their successes evolve, and it's a lot of fun. If you want to go into healthcare, you have a philosophy of caring for human beings and wanting to heal. And you just need the how do I do that part. And SCU does a really good job at that, and that's what basically prepared me for being successful in practice. And once I had success in my practice, I just basically wanted to pay it forward. Taking the education that I've had and putting it into practice, in the real world as the students call it, I can share that now as a clinician with them.